sila out of the away from the starting gate. Ating i-turn over natin sila sa ating track announcer. Good luck po sa inyong lahat. Ito na simula ng ating pick 6, race number 3.
Mystic Dragon. Horses in. Acting up, Mystic Dragon. Once again outside, you can still place your bets. Buy your pick 6 tickets. Your extra double trifecta. Quartet, Super 6, daily double +1. Mystic Dragon. Still outside. Final still letter. Yet Nodara Jr. All set once again. Is our chance for us, beginning nicely at the start. Moving up on the outside is Summer Gear, and followed by Miss Elliott. Next on line comes Split Street Blind Date, also moving up, and on the outside Money Not Lobe. Down on the inside Mystic Dragon, Jassinet's Blues. Next on line Ride and Roll, Lady Commander, and a long way back to Brashovia. And going along for the first turn, we have Miss Elliott takes the lead by Onalenka. Summer Gear drives back in second. 2 lengths away in third. Spin Cycle. Moving up on the outside comes Split Street. 5 lengths away in fifth comes Blind Day. Chance for us is by Drella. Alongside Money Not Lobe. Then followed by Jassinet's Blues. Ride and Roll. Mystic Dragon. Third last Lady Commander and Brashovia. Inside the octavo, Miss Elliott, Summer Gear, Split Street. Now moving up on the outside third. Spin Cycle remains in fourth. Blind Day is racing in fifth. Down on the inside, Chance for us. Moving up, Money Not Lobe. And Jassinet's Blues. We've got Split Street now moving up on the outside. Miss Elliott drives back in second. Down on the inside, Summer Gear, Spin Cycle is on the outside. And Chance for us. Last 150. And it's the Split Street by a length. And on the outside, Spin Cycle, and finally, it's a close finish. But I guess it's Split Street over Spin Cycle.